And actually the meeting today is about this protein, which is called P protein 53, has no really significant meaning. And the good P53, which is called the wild type P53, is actually the one that is protecting our DNA. Cancer is the DNA, is the maladie, the disease of our DNA. And actually this good P53 is the gene that is coding for a protein, which is like a soldier, that can go and scan our DNA to see if there are mistakes. Mistakes is not good, because mistakes can affect all kinds of genes which control the growth of cell. Cancer is uncontrolled growing, you know, this is a tumor. So this gene, which is called also the guardian of the genome, knows to scan the damaged DNA. That's a very smart gene. It's scanning the DNA and makes a decision. When there is a small amount of damaged DNA, it will sort of recruit the army of DNA repair, and we were talking today about it, how does it do it, and then fix the DNA, and we are back to good life. But sometimes this gene, like any other gene, can be also affected by any damage from the environment. For example, some people smoke and they damage their guardian of the genome. So you lose your defense. You don't have anymore a guardian, and you are so exposed to a way that you cannot fix your DNA. So this is really when the good soldier is turned to the enemy, and this enemy is basically a mutation in the good soldier, and you can look upon it as the corrupted genes. I joined the laboratory with a boss who was just recently accepted the Nobel Prize. So it was a real challenge. And I was a young mother with 2 little children, which was an exception in this laboratory. And at the beginning, people looked at me and said, oh, 2 children, how is she going to do it? But you can do it when you have really the will to do things. And that I found to be the most important thing in our life, is don't give up. If you want to do something, don't be afraid. I believe that we are in the time where at least genetics is on the verge of sort of developing into a way that we will really get soon answers, good answers to all kinds of cancer therapy, and that will not be in the next generation, that will be, let's say, in the next 10 years.